up, guys? It's EB. You've tuned in to Learn to Trade with EB. And this week, as you noticed, this is our third video. We're dropping nothing but nothing but content. We want to make sure we're giving you guys the utmost value. If there is a topic you haven't yet seen and you want a brief synopsis on, feel free to reach out. My email, my Discord, any way you need to contact me is in the bio. So again, we're going to be using TradingView this week. We looked at MetaTrader a couple days ago. We're going to start putting this stuff together because essentially we're going to have y'all trading by the summer. All you need is your cell phone and the right mind state and the right person to help you get in the Forex market. And that's what I'm here for. So reach out, like, share, subscribe, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend because we trying to teach the masses. So we're getting into the video now. I'll see you guys soon. What's up, guys? It's CB. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and tune in on how to use TradingView. So we're going to get into the chart. We're using BTC USD as our currency pair for this video. We're going to do a redip on some of the common concepts that we've gone through over these few weeks of Learn to Trade with EB as I show you how to navigate TradingView. All right, so on the left side, we have our toolbars. This includes everything you'll need to actually mark up and analyze a trade. So you got your trend lines, your Fibonacci's, your brush tool, text boxes, corrective patterns, your forecast tools, your icons, measuring, as well as your tools that you can use like to continuously stay in draw mode, delete stuff, and then like snap to close. On the top, you'll see where you can change your currency that you're looking at. You'll also see the time menu for you to do your top-down analysis. Don't forget to always start on the daily and work your way down. Now here is where we have our line chart, bar chart, candles. As you guys know, I normally trade with candles. But essentially what we do, right, is we would come to the line chart and we grab our horizontal ray and we'd come over here and plot some support and resistance. So that's what we'd use the horizontal ray for. That's what we use the line chart for. Go back to your candles and everything looks clean, right? One great tip about using your line chart is that it actually only shows us close prices. So you'll always know that price sat there and it closed there. It's not just wicking, there and coming back. It's one of the advantages of actually using the line chart. Now moving forward to the right, we have a tool that I don't use. Is how you compare it to like other financial symbols if you trade stocks. This is how you add your indicators. So if you are an indicator-based trader or if you use any form of an indicator, you'll go in here, type in that indicator name, and you'll be able to pull it up. So I normally use the simple moving average. Outside of that, I trade pretty much naked Forex. So again, another way you could use your ray is just marking that bouncing point, that retracement point, right? Okay. You do also have other things in here like vertical lines and stuff. If you want to mark like a specific date and then go on a different frame of time and see what happened on that day, you can, use the vertical line or anything. I mean, it's pretty much whatever you want to use the tools for because no one can see your charts but you, unless you share your ideas with other traders, which I always do encourage. Now, don't forget to reach down in my bio, grab that community Discord so you have a place where you can share your charts. You have a ton of like-minded traders that are wanting to do the same thing, and that's elevate their Forex trading. Why not, share your perspective with another, and you guys possibly both get paid. Boom. All right. So like I said, we got the indicators here. Financials is more so for stocks. Templates is where you would go to pull up like your indicator templates. If you didn't want to always go here and type in simple moving average or type in EMA, you just go to the templates, set that up. The most important part of TradingView for me is actually this alert panel. So this is how I'm able to get into and out of trades when I'm not actively looking at the market. You can set alerts at important levels. You can also set alerts for like actual indicators too. So if you want to set an alert for price when it's crossing the SMA, you can do that. Or if you have a channel or if there's a channel, already written up, you can put a alert for when prices outside or inside of that channel. So multiple things, and the great thing is they can actually send it to you through text message, email, push notification. You can sign up for all of that. I use them all. It's definitely beneficial. Forward to the right, I also appreciate replay mode. So replay mode allows you to use historical data to go back and track like if your trades would be optimal, like if the confluences that you're using are what's necessary to get you into and out of trades. Always use back testing. I actually did a video on that last week. Check it out, and make sure you share that as well. All right. So if you are like me, you might normally try to look at a few different like time frames at the same time when you're doing your top down analysis. So using this compare tool, or it's not really a compare tool, what would we call this? This is like a multi-frame tool. I'd call it multi-frame. So you could pull up charts in many different frames, small, medium, large. It's like 9 to 15 for like a maxi trader. I just do 2. And it's just kind of a great way to be able to track your top down analysis as you go, because you can see that it's a little bit more noisy the lower in time you get. You see a lot more going on than you do when you're on like the daily chart, you know? So that's what this feature is for. It's free, or certain parts of the feature is free for the free subscription, and you get full access to it with the paid subscription. Over here is where you have like chart layouts. So because I have a few mentors that I follow closely, I do keep their chart layouts on the go. This is one of those. This is actually how you change your chart layout. So like if you wanted to do a specific candle type and you wanted to save it, you do that here, and then you would go to your bottom left and save it that way. So I got a couple of templates there. You hit this button, it'll normally say publish, but because we're using TradingView to record today, it actually shows the time of the recording. But that's also where you go live if you stream beta on TradingView, and we'll get to how you do that next. This is if you wanted to toggle the camera off and on. So like, for example, I could add this while I'm showing you how to mark up the chart, right? And then I could also turn it back off. Here is where we show our watch lists of currencies or cryptos, whatever you trade. You can put them in any specific order. I also like that you can flag them off. So like if a trade is active, I'll flag it purple or blue or something, so I know that I need to look at it and not just bypass it when I'm going through my pairs daily. Here's your alerts. So this is where you can go check your alert panels, change them, remove them, delete them, all that good stuff. And here's the news. So if you looked at the video I did a couple of weeks ago on fundamental analysis, there's a few different websites that I mentioned that you could use. If none of those catch your eye, you can also use TradingView, because they actually have everything that's available on those same exact apps. So as you see, we have articles from Reuters, MT Newswires. These are all the same exact publishers that you'll catch on any other news website. So you're not losing out on anything. And it's actually cool because it's right there. You don't have to do anything but click on the newspaper there. This is how you look at more stock stuff that I don't pay attention to. And this is your economic calendar. So if you do trade economic news, this is how you can look at it. You can also go in the settings and add it to the chart as well if you wanted to see it as the chart progresses. The next is going to be your ideas. So because I mark up a lot of charts, I got a lot of ideas here. So you can make them private or public if you want to trade. You can also provide your information for analysis, educational purposes. I mostly do mine just for my team and my Discord. But some of them are, public, of course. This is how you communicate with other traders. So I think this is really cool because you can talk to traders all over the United States, all over the country, actually, and it's in real time. And you guys all have the same interest, trading. So you won't, it's never a dull conversation. Now, some of them are pretty good, some aren't. So take, all advice with a grain of salt, as I would recommend anything else. From there, you actually have your private instant messages from, traders that reach out to you. Now, this is your idea stream. I like this because the idea stream allows you to see traders that you follow. So as you see, I follow Wave Lovers and Daniel Conde. They're really cool traders. So I want to make sure I get to see any analysis that they put up and kind of compare it if it's something that I actively trade. From there, we have the beta, which I think is epic. So the beta stream feature is actually like the Twitch version for TradingView. So like if you go on Twitch, you can watch other traders or like other gamers, play video games all day and stuff. With streams beta, you actually get to watch other traders and you get to hear their mindset as they're executing trades. You also see some really cool market analysis. And actually a lot of these people are really good traders, which is surprising. So check that out. And then, of course, this is your notifications. If anyone likes or comments or even starts to follow you, you'll get that information there. And this information is more so for stock, or, well, not just stock, but people that actually trade through the MetaTrader or the TradingView platform, which I'm not it, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, guys, this is a very, very quick video on how to use TradingView. Play around with it, get acclimated with it. It's something you'll start to use every single day when you're marking your analysis. If you need any assistance, feel free to reach out. I have the Discord link in the bio. I have the TradingView link in the bio. And my personal mentorship link is in the bio. So if you need anything, reach out. Again, it's Learn to Trade with DB.